everybody, how you doing? And welcome back to my channel. I'm here with an unboxing of a 40-inch by 20-inch white desk that I got off Temu. Now, I got this on sale. This is the reason why I do a lot of shopping on Temu, because I catch a lot of stuff on sale that I like to have. Now, some of y'all probably say, around why you didn't go to IKEA and get the IKEA desk, because I had to buy the desk. I think it's about 80 inches to 100 inches deep. Plus I had to buy the drawers and everything to sit underneath that platform riser desk. So, but here, everything comes perfectly the way I like it. Go ahead on there. One thing I like about it is that the picture. It'll let you know what is in the box and what the picture look like when you install it and everything. Here it took a little beating and shipping, so I hope everything is damaged, no dents on the desk and everything. But we cannot avoid that though, because the majority of our products come from overseas. This came from China, as always. We all know Temu is in China, that is affiliated over the world. Everybody get a lot of stuff off Temu and selling it on Amazon, doing their own shipping, selling it themselves, etc. But I managed to get this from Temu. Retail value of this desk is $49.99, which on Amazon you probably see the same desk going for $59.99 or $69.99. Because the seller who's on Amazon bought it from Temu and decided to go ahead and sell it for profit. But here, I got this sale from Temu on sale for $18.99. A little bit $19. So you can sit down and say that's great. I got two 40 inches desks. As you see the other ones behind me, so I'll be installing both of them. And let's see what's in the box. Now, just keep in mind, it tells you to open the box carefully, because you don't want to scratch the merchandise or anything like that. So take your time and open up everything perfectly and simple. So you want to sit down here and destroy anything or scratch up your stuff. And then you tell them, oh, well, it came with scratches, Ron. This just came with this and this and that. Keep in mind, people, if you order your stuff, it's going to be damaged and it comes from overseas, so just keep that in mind. Okay, what do we have in the box? We got your scissor supports to the back for sturdiness. One thing I like about that, the hardware is attached to the box so they won't get lost in process. Now keep in mind, if you open up a box and do not have your hardware screws, please contact the manufacturer immediately so they can replace those screws. This is the headphone bracket support. It comes with the headphone support. Always, when opening, make sure you locate your instructions. Because I'm getting a lot of reviews on when I did the office chair for my grandson. I'm getting a lot of reviews, people saying they didn't come with instructions, and they keep hackling me about that, which is annoying. So make sure you locate your instructions and make sure you identify all your parts are there, and please read your instructions. It's that simple. It's simple, basic, easy. It won't take that long to set it up. Okay, stop weighing. Leg support. Other leg support. Okay, this is one thing I like about that, because when I installed the Kubi desk didn't come with a sidebar for support. You get your support bar and come in. So it gets the support. We put all that heavy weight on it. So you got your support bar. That's support bar number 1. Support bar number 2. And you get your side support bars. Now everybody told me, well, how does this look? How does this look? This is not pretty bad. I thought it would be a little thicker, but it's about 2 inches thick. 1/4 inch thick, but it's good. It'll hold the weight real well, and I can't complain about that. All right. Now, what I'm going to do is install her, and let's get on with this baby here. I'm doing both of them all together, so y'all will see the process. And when I'm done, I'm gonna go ahead and give y'all the presentation of it. Alright everybody, as you see, desk 1 is done. This is what she looks like when I'm finished installing her. She looks nice. And as you know, she sits 40 inches wide, 20 inches length. So yes, now before you do anything, make sure you do all your measurements from your monitors to your satellites, because I just realized that I need like a 40 inch to a 50 inch desk to go ahead and get my 7 inch satellites up there, because they're 7 inches wide. So I'm going with more of a downgrade of my satellites. I had my Crow's S200 sitting on my original desk that I broke down because it was an L-shaped desk and it was basically about 3 inches into the kitchen doorway. So I had to go ahead on and jump that. This works out great. Here you have your headphones holder on the side, so I can put my headphones up there. So yes, this works out great for me. It is white, something different. I'm just not going to be doing a lot of cleaning because I have a cat. Her name's Kenji, and I'll be sitting a lot of cat hair on my desk. But other than that, she works out great. I ain't got no issues with her. Just like I said, I got to go ahead on and measure up the mouse pad. I got a nice, very long mouse pad. If I slide it on over here, I can tell you it's about 38 inches wide, about between 16 to 18 inches long. So enough with that there, it works out great. I just have to go ahead on there and do this, make sure I got everything lined up right so everything flows. If it's not flowing, it's going to irritate me and I'll be angry. I got to take everything down from the monitors and everything. Especially when you sit 32 inch TVs that stacked on top of each other on the desk. Other than that, she's good. She's nice and sturdy. I like it came with that crossbar. So yeah, she can hold some weight. Yeah, she can hold some weight. I'll probably say about 100 pounds weight. No more higher than that. So if you sit down here, you put 200 on it, then you might just forget about it. And it's just a simple office desk. Whole basically weight, because my monitor is about 20 inches weight of both. So if you're looking at about 40 inches, 40 pounds sitting on my desk. So, and then I'm going to my Creative Lab A20s, nice speakers for a comfortable sound and everything. Other than that, she turned out great. This is desk 1. I'm gonna go ahead on there now and do desk 2. All right, everybody, she's done. She's done. 40, 40, that's 80 inches going out. And 20 inches coming in. So now the good thing about this is she's not connected or she's not in an angle. Now if I do want to go in L shape, I can go ahead on and do this here. And this is one thing I like, because the other desk I had brought was only for a corner desk. It was an L shape and it was 80 inches. Now, I want to go L shape. Easy. Only thing I don't like is it's about like an inch into the doorway. As y'all can go ahead and angle up the camera off to my kitchen. She's about an inch into the doorway. That's the only thing I don't like. If I want to go L shape on the other side, I could do that. Let's go ahead and swivel over. I could go ahead and go L shape on this side if I want to. Move this out the way. And this is one reason why I make everything so easy for me. I could just drag and shift. If I want to do an L shape, I could go ahead and put the desk right there. And which makes pretty sense. I don't have to worry about connecting stuff. And that's the other thing I tried to do with the other desk, is trying to see can I disconnect it and re-angle off the angle, which wasn't, no, it was only set for a right degree angle. And that's it. If I want it on the other side, I just do this. Now tell me, how good is that? How good is that? And everything just flow, everything just works together. I can go ahead and bring my computer card. This is one reason why I can put my computer card right there. Just there. That's what I might do because I have a socket there. I had bought a 50-inch desk socket, which I have to go ahead and put underneath the desk. I might just order another one. I don't know what I'm going to do right now, but my whole entire system, as you see right there, this is my gaming rig, my business rig. I got my vlog sound computer in the corner, and I got my entertainment, so I had to worry about wasting money on Fire TVs and Rucos. I had to be doing none of that. So everything is good. All my computers are on AMDs, they have 4 platforms. I'm good to go. Yep. MSI to the bottom, ASRock, ASUS. Now I did do the video about I'm so tired of ASUS, but when I put the Ryzen 3 4100 in, everything worked perfectly. So I ain't got to worry about nothing with that. That's using on the Quadro 4002 gigabyte, only for 1080p watching TV, because I don't give a damn about 4K, even though our technology has changed for better, but I'm old school. 720p is okay. I won't recommend you watching anything off YouTube. 1080p or higher is better. If you're on 2K, 4K, and you're on 2K, 4K monitors, it's best to watch everything in 4K as well as 2K. Me, I'm old school, 60 hertz to 100 hertz. I haven't touched 100 hertz, so now, only thing I have to do is, I'm gonna show you, as you see, get all that stuff. Y'all see all that onto that. I don't know, should I do a video or should I just go ahead on and just do it off camera and then take a picture of it? I'm thinking about that right now. But right now I kind of like the flow. If I want to go L shape, I can go L shape. And what I might be thinking here is, let me go ahead and put everything back. See, and I just love this. I could just move everything out the way. I don't have to pick up nothing. And I can work with that easy. Put everything back where everything belongs. Yep. And that's it. Now, let's get my baby up and running because I want to play me some retro games. Hello Kitty is calling me, along with Gems of War. Probably gonna play some Warframes, and people, please do me a favor. I know Warframes is multiplayers. Just like I said, I'm not on 1,000 watt, 1,000 megabits per second internet. I'm on 600 megabits per second. That's just for streaming, a little bit of browsing the internet, watching movies, etc. on YouTube, Netflix, etc. Activating my streaming device. My cat going crazy in the back. I don't know why, because those pigeons taunting her. But this is it. I'm happy to have these desks from Temu. I know a lot of y'all don't like Temu, but right now Temu became my best budget friendly for the pocket. And y'all probably sit there and say, Ron, how the hell you gonna get all that junk? That's what my wife called it. She called all my stuff junk on the table. And I'm going to show you. Thank y'all for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I love y'all. Y'all took the time out to watch it. And let me do my thing. Peace.